Hey, high performance leaders out there, Marq Neasman here. If you are listening to the sound of my voice right now, then you are likely trying to find out more information about the executive think tank. And I'm super excited to share more. So let's get into it. So this event is for executives who are leading teams of at least 5 or more individuals and feeling the pressures of leading people, managing processes, developing and delivering on products, and sustaining or increasing profitability. And if that is you, then this real-time interactive workshop is absolutely the place you want to be. So yes, it's a one-day event and it gives you access to industry experts who are creating impact in businesses and industries just like yours every day. We're going to give you access to the insights, the strategies, and tools that help our clients continue to see cumulative gains of 30 to 60% in impact, income, and influence on an annual basis. So yes, that means this is your chance to secure a spot, experience the breakthroughs, learn from the best, especially when it comes to implementing proper systems and strategies so that you can maximize your people, processes, products, and profitability. It is very simple. We remove all of the guesswork and give you the principles and practices that are producing results in live time across multiple industries. All you have to do is bring your problems. And I do want to say this, all right? This is not a motivational event. This is tactical. This is hands-on. This is a workshop that's peeling back the layers on your business to give you the real answers to deep-seated issues you're probably experiencing and probably have been experiencing for far too long now, okay? Now, something else I think you should know about Marq Neasman Consulting is the fact that we have generated over $250 million in revenue earned for our clients. We have a standing track record of delivering 30 to 60% increases in income, impact, and influence for our clients as well. And we are known for taking companies from 10 million to 100 million in 3 to 5 years. And I'm sharing that not to boast, but to make clear how confident we are in our systems and in the ability for the executive think tank to impact you and your C-suite. And so that said, we will give you back your initial investment if you do not receive at least $1 million in value. Yes, we've removed all risk. You have nothing to lose other than potentially another quarter of stagnance and or low returns of investment on your time, effort, and capital. And we do not want that for you, okay? And so the next step is very simple. Just go ahead and click the link below or wherever it is on this screen right now and reserve your seat today. Depending on the quarter and the time of you viewing this, there is a chance that we're giving away free seats. We give away free seats for every quarter event. And there's a chance you can access those. They go very fast, I'll be honest with you. But we're looking forward to seeing you nonetheless. And in the event that you do purchase a ticket, we always do 2-for-1s because our goal, our call, our mission is not for this to just go to you, but it's to go through you. And so we encourage you to bring someone from your C-suite, a co-founder, or whoever it may be that you believe could benefit as well, to make sure that the information isn't just heard, but that it sticks and it's applied. And so we look forward to seeing you at the upcoming Executive Think Tank. Again, my name is Marq Neasman, and I want you to do one thing for me. I want you to fix your crown and rule the day. We'll talk soon.